YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. We're going to dive in and show you guys how to tear this thing apart. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back. So again, today we've got quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. So as you guys can see, I've stripped the cleaner down to basically just the frame with the brush ring here as well as the main service tab. For today's video, I want to show you guys how to get the service tab replaced and taken off and go over the functionality of that. But if you guys want to know how we got down to this point already, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We've got a playlist for you guys on all these videos showing you how to tear it apart from the outside in, starting with the shroud all the way down to where we are right now. So the main thing I want to talk to you guys about today is this servicing tab. So not quite sure why they call it a service tab, but I do know that the point of this is that it does not allow those gears that rotate around from the oscillator to go backwards. It stops those gears from moving so that if something does get stuck in there, it'll just freeze the cleaner instead of actually continuing to try to run and grinding and breaking more of the cleaner. So it is meant to kind of act as a brake of sorts to make sure that that doesn't happen. So really simple to remove this. You guys will want to remove the brush that's located right here, the two main clipped brushes on the bottom. Again, we've got a video on how to remove these brushes, so if you guys want to check out that video first before you guys can get to the service tab, you will need to remove it just to make it easier for you guys on getting the service tab out. But first step is making sure that the actual frame is pointed up just like it would be when you guys remove everything. And you're going to kind of grab this service tab. It's just a stainless steel piece of metal, so be gentle, don't try to bend it. All you're looking to do is gently push it forward so it gets out of the little groove that it's actually stuck into the frame, and then you're going to kind of gently push it to the side. And when you do that from underneath, see, I can show you guys here. So underneath, it kind of grabs in between. There's plastic framing here. So as I push it forward and pull it off to the side, you guys can actually see that piece. So then that way it comes off. So again, it's pushed in, it's locked in, nothing's moving here. I kind of grab on this side, I push forward and then to the side, and you guys can see it kind of slides right out. And then of course, since it's an L shape, you can either go down or twist it and come up. And then here's your actual metal tab. Again, it's just a bent piece of steel here, but this is molded and framed to work specifically for this cleaner. So if you guys feel comfortable, you guys can try to mock this up, but we do not suggest it. We do have these available. If you do buy a new frame system, bottom chassis, whatever you want to call, this will be included with it as well. So then that way you guys don't actually have to worry about trying to take anything off. And then again, simple installation. You're gonna feed it in from the bottom again and work your way over to get that service piece in. Again, it's going to be directional, so you do want to make sure that you put it in right. If you have it facing like I do, where you have the cleaner in its original state facing forward, you're going to have the L shape facing forward as well. And then you're just going to kind of wiggle it in there again to get it over those lips and into that spot and locked back in. So there you go. Pretty simple. Just want to show you guys how to get access to this tab, how to replace it if you need to. Again, we've got them available on our site, links in the description. And if you want to remember how to get down to this point, again, check out that playlist. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We got a ton of videos coming your way across all kinds of pool products for you guys. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.